Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change language here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the language of your BigCommerce store is a simple process that can offer significant benefits, especially if you are targeting an international or multilingual audience. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and from here, just click on My Profile right here, and then click on the profile information, right? What will happen is you would be forwarded here, wherein you can see that under the language, this is going to be your preferred language will be used in your BigCommerce control panel, and for emails, they will send you about your account. All you have to do is click the drop-down menu, and these are some of the limited and supported languages here in BigCommerce. You have English, Espanol, Francais, Italiano, Chinese, and a lot more. Obviously, I'm not going to change because it's a lot. For example, we're going to use Japanese. All right, let's click on save. Let's see what will happen. You see that it's going to be hard. You can always go here and translate it to English, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to hover back again to English and click on save at the bottom right corner. Wait for it, and that's that. So the languages will be changed. Again, offering your store in customers' native languages makes browsing and purchasing easier, creating a more user-friendly experience. Now, this builds trust and comfort and reducing potential confusion about product details, prices, and policies. If in case you encounter any problems changing the language here in your BigCommerce account, I highly suggest you contact the BigCommerce support staff. There's going to be a channel here that says 24/7. All right, let's click on it. There's a small chat bot on the bottom right. If you want, you can also type it here to see if you get an answer. Right, press enter. These are going to be some of the options if you want. Featured articles right here and community contributors. Now, once you get a hold of the support staff, tell them you are having problems changing your language here in your BigCommerce account, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix him. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.